Today we are looking at the Indesit IWME146 washing machine. Visit the Cool Kitchen website, link in the description below this video for more information. Complete your fitted kitchen by installing the Indesit IWME146 integrated washing machine, an excellent choice when it comes to washing your household laundry. Keeping your clothing clean, with a 6 kg capacity and a 1,400 revolutions per minute spin speed, their IWME146 makes sure that you will be able to breeze through your family wash days with ease. There are 16 programs to choose from, which include a specially developed sports wash for clothes and shoes and a quick wash which will get up to 3 kg of clothing clean in 30 minutes. With the option of delaying a wash by up to 9 hours, you can choose when you want to wash to be completed, and a front-loading porthole makes it easy to load and empty the drum. Straightforward selection, it's simple to control their IWME146 with dial controls and LCD indicators, making it easy to pick and choose which program you want to run. With an A+ rating for energy efficiency, you'll enjoy lower energy bills and a 1-year guarantee give you peace of mind. Make sure that your household washing needs are met with the Indesit IWME146 integrated washing machine. Click on the Cool Kitchen website, link in the description below this video for more information and to get the cheapest price for this appliance.